He will come to us like rain. Oh, that we might know the Lord. Let us press on to know him. He will respond to us as surely as the arrival of dawn or the coming of rain in early spring. Hosea 6:3. God's grace is like the rain. It comes and pours out over everything, giving it life and beauty. Reach out to Christ. He will reach back. That is a promise, my friends. The garden of your soul and your spirit will bloom and become as you were truly meant to live when you turn to Christ.